Well, what have we got here? We're looking at a boat engine, Tohatsu boat engine. And you can see I've been repairing the boat engine. The boat engine was found in a local junkyard, shipwreck. And I've disassembled the whole engine, replacing parts necessary in the carburetor. You can see the carburetor over here. And yeah, I've also been cleaning out the cylinder. Yeah, you can see the cylinder over here. So I'm gonna go ahead and give this boat a little tug. I'm gonna see if the boat engine will start. Yeah! So we got the boat engine running. You see the boat engine is running perfectly alright. See the water splash around. We're gonna give the boat engine some throttle. Gotta give it some throttle. Yeah! Got the boat engine. Yeah, you can see the propeller pump doing its work. Yeah, you see that? Yeah. So well, with the it's idling right now. Now gonna give it some gas. Yeah, you got that right, Shepherd. You got a boat engine. Free of charge, free of barge. Yeah, we got the America. Fuck yeah.